Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete Facebook account permanently. All right, let's begin. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the menu icon at the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. From here, find and open Account Center. Once inside Account Center, tap Personal Details. Next, select Account Ownership and Control. Now tap Deactivation or Deletion and choose your Facebook account from the list. After selecting your account, tap Delete Account and then tap Continue. Facebook will show you information about what will be removed. Read it carefully, then tap Continue again. You may be asked to choose a reason for deleting your account. Select any option and tap Continue. Facebook will also suggest steps like downloading your data or reviewing connected apps. Review these options and tap Continue. Finally, enter your Facebook password to confirm. Tap Delete Account to finish. You will have 30 days to recover your account before it is permanently deleted. So that's basically how you can delete Facebook account permanently. That's it for this video. Thanks.